All right, so in this lesson, we will analyze scatter plots, and then we will use them, to make predictions. But before we do that, let's take a look at these. So we're going to say linear-ish, or linear, like not linear-ish. Usually people say linear or not linear, but I feel like linear, so linear means line. It's not completely like a line, you know what I mean? Like this one is line-ish. So this, we'll say this is linear-ish, right? Like, because you can do that through it. This one is loose, right? It's not as like together as this is, but it still suggests linear. Like, I mean, this one doesn't. This one's straight up just not. Like, you can't even, like, come on now. Come on. Not. And this one, it's like bam, but then it's like shoom. Something like that. So this is not linear. Well, I'm going to put, there we go. Oops. I guess I didn't do that right. Okay. Not linear. Well, I guess we should put back here. I accidentally deleted it. This one, we can pretty much draw a line, right? Linear. And then this one, of course, is not. Okay, so let's try this next page. So this is a positive correlation. A positive trend. Oh, sorry. You can tell that we're generally going up, right? So that's a positive trend. As x increases, y increases. So as free shots attempted increases, the free shots made increases. And it wants us to make a prediction. So in order to make a prediction, we have to use like a prediction line, right? So I'm going to make mine like slightly smaller, okay? So I'm going to try this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to try to get 5. That's not going to work. Maybe right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That seems to be doing better. There's about 5 on each side. So I'm going to use this. It says if 16 free shots are attempted. 16. I guess I'll do this in a different color. So 16 free shots attempted. So 16 free shots attempted. It wants to know what's the prediction for free shots made. My prediction is that it is, I guess I should do it different. It should be about 12. 12. If 16 free shots are attempted, then how many free shots are predicted to be made? So 12 free shots made. And it says if 18 free shots were made, oh, this is different. 18 free shots were made. So let's go to 18 free shots made. Oh, that's like right here, right? So I need to go this way. Oh, this is like off the charts. Okay. So that's like 2, 4, 6, 8, kind of a 224. This is about 26. So about 26 free shots were attempted. So 18 free shots were made. Then what would be the predicted number of free shots attempted? We said it was 26 free shots attempted. Cool. All right, this is called a negative trend because as x increases, y decreases. Like, I mean, you can sort of like see, right? So let's go ahead and go back to this color. So as the number of participants, so number of participants, I'll just say number of I don't think I'm gonna have enough room, increases, the cost per person, so the cost per person, I think I can fit that, cost per person. So as this goes, increases, this goes down, so it decreases. Okay, so it says, what's the predicted? So we will need to make a trend line. So let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4, 4.5, right? Well, not there. So maybe. So that's 4. I think this is the best we're gonna get. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. See 1? There's 1. Oh. I think it was close, but then when I went to click it was a little off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. No, that's not good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need like 4.5. So let me do that. 1, 2. Oh, that's a little too far. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's about right. 1, 2, half, 3, 4, 4.5. 1, 2, or 1. Hold on, let me start again. 1, 2, 3. I think this is like a whole one. 4.5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 ish. It's good enough, right? It pretty much splits it in half. Okay. So we want to make a prediction for 80 participants. And remember, do your best with this line. Do a good job. The only reason I'm moving on is because I think, like, if I could zoom in without ruining this whole thing, I would. I'd get a better line. But I don't want to ruin this. Okay, so make sure about half on the left side, half on the right side. Remember that. Trace it. Trace it. Okay. So 80 participants. 80 participants is predicted. Oh, it's like fell right on the line, right? Is $700. So that's the cost per person. Oh, cost per person. Okay, let's try this green. So what is the predicted number of participants if the predicted cost per person? Predicted cost per person is 1,000. So let's go to 1,000. And that means that 40 people. That means there are predicted to be 40 people. Remember that in these ones, like prediction 1 will ask you about, like, it'll give you the independent variable, the x, it'll ask you for the y, and then a predicted y. And then on the prediction 2, it'll give you a y value and ask you for the predicted x value. Okay, so this is called no trend or no correlation, because you really can't, like, there's no, like, I don't know, there's no line that's really, like, better or worse than the other, because it's just all over the place. So this is like, well, we can't even do that. We would just put there is no relationship, and this is NA. Not applicable. This is not applicable. Yep, and that's it. Thank you.